What's up, YouTubers? It's Chuck back with Chuck's Hobby Spot again. This time I'm here to do a little bit of a review on what I think of the chrome spray by Revell. But I'm also going to let you guys know some stash ads I bought. You know, I'm always buying stuff. And a little bit of an update on the second Henry J, which I think is actually coming out amazing. I'm kind of really digging it. But first of all, I want to touch base on this this chrome spray. I actually bought some of this, and it came in the mail finally. And I sprayed it, and I was pretty impressed so far. But I'll give you the ups and the downs of this real quick. So here is what you'd be purchasing, and I think I paid around 32 or 33 bucks, and it's super hard to get. It's like this is like gold right now in our YouTube community, in our modeling community. It's pretty crazy. So anyway, I've been using this for brushing on stuff, and this is like Stuart Simple. It's some stuff that some private guy sells. So and it's pretty good to brush on. But this here I sprayed on to this spoon here. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but man, it's pretty good, man. You can see me, my camera and everything back there. Okay. But I took, you know, less than 24 hours ago, I sprayed it. About 20 hours ago, I'd say. And I wanted to see how durable it is, because we all talk about the durability of this stuff. And you know I don't lie on this channel. Whatever it is, I tell the truth, okay? So I went ahead and rubbed it, you know, tried to polish it with my shirt. And everybody was saying it's pretty durable, but this is what happened when I did it. So it wasn't that durable to me. So pretty much, but I rubbed it pretty good, you know. I rubbed the whole top of it off. I wanted to give this one another 24 hours and try rubbing this one again, because I've seen comments where they said 24 to 48 hours. And I still haven't hit the 24-hour mark yet. But I mean, it's dry though, you know. I mean, it's dry. So I mean, we just need to find a way to clear this where it won't dull it. So maybe I'll even spray a couple spoons and clear coat it. So with that being said, I mean, I rubbed it pretty good. I rubbed it off. So for me, it's a no-go unless this other spoon comes out good, or unless we can find something to clear coat it with. So that's my opinion on it. I'll stick with the L-Clad for a while. If the second spoon though, which I'll give you an update later on, if the second spoon actually doesn't rub off by tomorrow, if I rub it tomorrow and it doesn't rub the chrome off, then hey, it's a go, and hey, you know, that's what it is. So I will try to spray another spoon and clear coat over it after 48 hours and see if that dulls down or what happens there. So I'll let everybody know. We'll do an experiment here. So anyway, here's the wheel, or this is the other Henry J. I'm just gonna go ahead and lift the camera up a little bit, and I'll zoom in, okay? So that's the second Henry J. That's what it's going to look like. The first one is the orange one on the bottom. The second one is the brown one on top. And I decided to go with chrome front runners and a set of gold wheels, a little weathered, and a chrome cap, which the chrome cap I used this stuff on. So, and it's this. So if you guys want to know, you guys just get online and order it. So yeah, and that stuff brushes really nice. So let me see if I can get you guys a better shot here. There you go. So that's how far I am now. It's just mocked up, no suspension on it, just sitting there. I did the blower and the valve covers and everything in L-Clad. So the back wheels were L-Clad, and the center caps were brushed on, and the front was the Revell stuff that I sprayed the wheel with. And I think it looks really good, but it's just super delicate. So I'm going to have to be super delicate with that. I'm going to go ahead and take this down, and I will show you guys the wheel. Here's one right here. that I sprayed with that Revell stuff, and I think it looks good. It looks really good. It looks legit. It looks the part. It's just, if I was to rub it with my finger, it'd turn out to be like this spoon right here. And I don't know what it is, but this spoon looks great. The other spoon is, I rubbed it off. I mean, I rubbed it off pretty easy, so. But maybe I'm doing it wrong. If there's something I'm missing out there, just let me know. So anyway, I went to my club meeting and I picked up a couple engines. I picked up this new one here from ICEMAN Collections, the small block Chevy, the small block Chevy. And I picked up the 572 twin turbo Alien. So both of these are pretty nice. I'll do a review on these, but yeah, I mean, you can see how nice they are. So I'll take it out of the package sooner or later and let you guys see them. We'll do a review on this because I did buy one of these. So the Turbo Prototrike, and I think this thing's super cool. I got plans for it. So guys, check this stuff out. You guys don't want to miss out on this. Everything's always limited run when he does stuff like that. So I'm not sure how limited that one's going to be, but it is going to be pretty limited. And the next video, I'll do some kit stash ads that I bought. And I mean, we've been pounding on that Henry J up there for a little while. So I want to get it done. I want to start the USAC build. I've got a few things I want to build for Utah, and we want to be successful in Utah, so represent my club and everything. So anyway, I just wanted to share the Revell chrome spray with you guys and tell you my thoughts on it. My thoughts are, if it remains like this, no. But if I can rub on that tomorrow and it's good, or if I can clear coat one, yeah, it's a winner because that chrome looks legit. But all right, guys, again, why do you guys watch this crap? You guys do, and I love it. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell, share my channel with a friend or with anybody. Share it with your grandma, I don't care. Anyway, I will talk to you guys in the next video. All right, guys, take care and bye.